Did you know your phone's photo gallery could be a gold mine you're sitting on? Imagine this: the candid shot you took last weekend, or that random photo of your cat lounging on the couch, could be quietly earning you passive income. Intrigued? You should be. In today's digital revolution, the ability to transform ordinary photos into cash is no longer reserved for professionals. Thanks to groundbreaking AI tools, you can effortlessly create sellable assets, even if you've never touched editing software in your life. Whether it's stock photos, digital art, or trendy online merch, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn everyday snapshots into automated income streams. We'll reveal which AI tools are must-haves, how to tap into high-demand niches, and the secret sauce to maximize your earnings. Imagine earning money while sipping coffee, traveling, or simply sleeping. This isn't a dream. It's a tech-driven reality you can harness today. Hit that like button, click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Because by the time we're done, you'll never see your camera roll the same way again. Ready to unleash the magic? Let's dive in. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. What if I told you that you could potentially earn up to $2,000 a month just by utilizing these tools? It may sound too good to be true, but with the right strategies and insights, it's entirely possible. In this video, we'll explore various AI platforms that can help you maximize your earnings and streamline your workflow. So, whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual snapper, stay tuned to discover how you can start your journey toward financial freedom through your photography. Step 1. Identify the right AI tools for photo enhancement. To kickstart your journey in monetizing your photos, the first step is to identify the right AI tools for photo enhancement. There are several popular options available, each offering unique features that can elevate your images. Canva is an excellent choice for beginners, providing user-friendly templates and design elements that make photo editing a breeze. Its AI-driven suggestions help you create stunning visuals quickly. Adobe Photoshop, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for those looking for advanced editing capabilities. With features like content-aware fill and neural filters, Photoshop allows you to manipulate images in ways that were once only possible for professional photographers. While it may have a steeper learning curve, the results can be extraordinary. DeepArt utilizes AI to transform your photos into artistic masterpieces, mimicking the styles of famous artists. This tool is perfect for those who want to add a creative flair to their images. When choosing the right tool, consider your skill level and budget. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, so explore these options to find the perfect fit for your photo enhancement needs. Step 2. Select and prepare your photos for enhancement. Once you've identified the right AI tools, the next step is to select and prepare your photos for enhancement. Start by choosing high-quality images that resonate with your target audience. Whether you're aiming for stunning landscapes, vibrant portraits, or engaging product shots, the quality of your images plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Ensure that the photos you select are well lit and visually appealing. Good lighting can make a significant difference in how your images are perceived. Natural light often works best, so consider shooting during the golden hour for that perfect glow. Additionally, pay attention to composition. A well-framed photo can elevate its overall impact. You can use personal images that showcase your unique perspective, or opt for stock images that are royalty-free. Websites such as Unsplash and Pexels offer a plethora of high-quality images that you can use without worrying about copyright issues. By carefully selecting and preparing your photos, you set the stage for effective enhancement, ensuring that the final results will captivate your audience and maximize your earning potential. Step 3. Enhance your photos. Using AI tools. Now that you have your photos selected and prepared, it's time to enhance them using your chosen AI tools. Start by exploring the various filters, effects, and adjustments available in the software. For instance, in Canva, you can apply one-click filters that instantly elevate the mood of your images. Adobe Photoshop offers advanced adjustments like brightness, contrast, and saturation, allowing for precise control over your photo's appearance. To illustrate the power of these enhancements, consider creating before and after comparisons. This visual representation not only showcases the improvements, but also highlights the effectiveness of the AI tools you're using. For example, a dull image can transform into a vibrant masterpiece with just a few adjustments, making it more appealing to your audience. Don't hesitate to get creative. Experiment with different styles and techniques to find what resonates best with your vision. Try combining various filters or layering effects to create unique looks. The beauty of AI tools is that they encourage exploration, allowing you to discover new ways to enhance your photos. Embrace this creative process, and you'll be well on your way to producing stunning images that stand out in the marketplace. Step 4. Create a portfolio of enhanced photos. With your enhanced photos ready, the next step is to create a compelling portfolio that showcases your best work. Start by compiling a selection of your top images, focusing on those that highlight your skills and creativity. Aim for a cohesive look that tells a story or conveys a specific theme, making it easier for potential clients or buyers to connect with your style. Utilize platforms like Instagram or a personal website to showcase your portfolio. Instagram is a fantastic visual platform that allows you to reach a broad audience, while a personal website gives you more control over how your work is presented. Whichever platform you choose, ensure that your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. As you curate your collection, make sure it reflects your unique style and creativity. This is your chance to stand out in a crowded market, so don't shy away from showcasing your personality through your images. Consider adding descriptions or stories behind each photo to engage viewers further. A well-crafted portfolio not only demonstrates your talent, but also serves as a powerful tool for attracting potential clients and generating passive income from your photography. Step 5. Monetize your enhanced photos. Now that you have a stunning portfolio, it's time to monetize your enhanced photos. Start by exploring various platforms where you can sell your work, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy. These platforms cater to different audiences and offer unique opportunities for photographers. Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are ideal for selling stock images, while Etsy allows you to reach customers looking for unique prints and digital downloads. When pricing your photos, conduct market research to set competitive prices based on the quality of your work and the current trends in the industry. Look at similar offerings on these platforms to gauge what others are charging. Remember, pricing your photos appropriately can significantly impact your sales and overall income. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams by offering both prints and digital downloads. Prints can appeal to customers looking for home decor, while digital downloads cater to those seeking instant access to your work. By providing multiple purchasing options, you can attract a broader audience and increase your chances of making sales. With the right approach, your enhanced photos can become a lucrative source of passive income, allowing you to earn while doing what you love. Step 6. Promote your photo portfolio effectively. With your portfolio ready and monetization strategies in place, the next crucial step is to promote your photo portfolio effectively. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Share your enhanced photos regularly, using relevant hashtags and engaging captions to attract potential buyers. Visual platforms like Instagram are particularly effective for showcasing your work, so make sure to post consistently and interact with your followers. Engaging with photography communities and forums is another excellent way to network and promote your portfolio. Join groups on platforms like Facebook or Reddit, where photographers share tips, feedback, and opportunities. By participating in discussions and sharing your work, you can build relationships and gain exposure within the photography community. Additionally, consider running ads or collaborations to boost visibility. Paid advertising on social media can target specific demographics, ensuring your work reaches the right audience. Collaborating with other photographers or influencers can also expand your reach, as their followers may be interested in your style. By combining these promotional strategies, you can effectively increase awareness of your portfolio, driving more traffic and potential sales to your enhanced photos. Let's recap. Turning photos into passive income. Using AI tools. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to turn your photos into a source of passive income using AI tools. We began by identifying the right tools for photo enhancement, followed by selecting and preparing high-quality images. Next, we discussed how to enhance your photos effectively, create a compelling portfolio, and monetize your work through various platforms. Finally, we emphasized the importance of promoting your portfolio to reach a wider audience. Throughout this journey, creativity and consistency have been key. Embrace your unique style and continually refine your skills to stand out in a competitive market. Remember, the more you engage with your audience and promote your work, the greater your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on monetization strategies. Click the links in the description below to find more information about opportunities on your money-making journey. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow creatives who might benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.